Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to sign out of Outlook mail in your mobile. And this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. Let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Outlook mail on your mobile. Having opened up your Outlook mail, tap on the profile icon. The next thing you need to do is to click on setting icon. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and click on accounts. The next thing you need to do is to select the account you want to sign out. Then scroll down right here and make sure you click on remove account. Click on remove. It's that simple. So this is how to sign out of Outlook mail in your mobile. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how to use your Outlook mail, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.